Himachal News Bulletin. Here you will get today's all the important news of Himachal Pradesh. So let's start. Rakhi will not spoil in rain. Postal Department launched waterproof envelope. Postman will come home on Sunday too. Now Rakhi will not spoil even in rain. For this, the Department of Post has launched a waterproof envelope for Rs 10. Not only this, the department has decided to distribute the Rakhis on Sunday too till August 22. At the same time, the scheduled time from 9:30 am to 4:30 pm has been extended till 5:30 pm. Moving to the next news, current Chief Secretary of Himachal Pradesh can be replaced. Anil Khachi, the Chief Secretary to Himachal Pradesh government, can be replaced. On Wednesday, also there was a discussion throughout the day in this regard. His tough temper has started irritating some ministers and officials. In such a situation, he is advising the Chief Minister to replace him. According to the sources, the consultations are going on between chief ministers and ministers in this regard. Moving ahead in the bulletin, soda making the strong bones of youth lifeless. Not a good news for soda and soft drinks lovers, especially youth. Expert doctors have advised the youth to reduce the consumption of cold drinks. Doctors say that the bones are weakening due to soda and cold drinks. Phosphorus is dissolved in soda and cold drinks. When it is drunk, phosphorus reaches the bones and mixes with calcium and starts taking out the calcium present in the bones. Moving to the next news, after years took 45 bighas of land from BBMB. In order to provide residential facilities to NDRF battalion, the Mandi District Administration of Himachal Pradesh has issued orders for acquisition of 45 bighas of land lying vacant for years in Salapur, Sundanagar, occupied by BBMB. For years, this land of Himachal was with BBMP. Illegal occupations also started taking place here. After getting the land back, now the administration has started the exercise of providing residential facilities to NDRF battalion as per the instructions of state government. Moving to the next news in the bulletin, case registered against Kamla Bank clerk, former manager and cooperative society secretary. Another case of fraud has come to light in Talai Village Cooperative Society of Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. The third case of taking loan of 20 lakh by creating fake accounts has reached the police station Talai for investigation. So far, about 66 people have filed petition in the court for registering an FIR against the officials of Kamla Cooperative Bank and the office bearers of the society for taking loan fraudulently. Moving ahead, 100 to 150 gram pebbles in 1 kg of urad. Questions are being raised about the quality of pulses available in government depots in Himachal Pradesh. In 1 kg of urad dal, 100 to 150 grams pebbles are coming up. The matter came into the fore in Jamna Panchayat of Silai area of Sirmaur district. Huge amount of pebbles are coming out in urad dal at cheap ration shop here. When the villagers complained to the department, the officials did not even came to investigate. Moving ahead to the next news, which is related to COVID, 4 infected people died in Himachal Pradesh after 21 days. 240 positive, including 10 children. The increase in the cases of corona in Himachal has increased the concern of Himachal Pradesh government and the health department. On Wednesday, after 21 days, 4 corona patients died in the state. Earlier on July 13th, 4 patients had died. The deceased include a 40-year-old man from district Mandi, 70-year-old man from district Shimla, a 64-year-old woman from district Una, and 73-year-old woman from district Kamla. At the same time, 240 new cases of corona have come in the state. Moving to the next news, Chief Minister Jairam convened a cabinet meeting on August 10 for corona control. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has said that a cabinet meeting has been convened on August 10 to control corona. In this, strictness can be done in view of increasing cases of COVID-19 in this state. CM Jairam Thakur has said that the advisory has been already issued regarding the strictness in this regard. The Chief Minister said that in the cabinet meeting recently, decisions have been taken to take strictness if matters escalates further. There will be more strictness in the cabinet meeting on August 10. Moving to the next news, 99 roads still closed due to landslides. Weather will remain bad till August 10. There is a possibility of rain in Himachal Pradesh on Thursday as well. The weather has been forecast to remain bad in the entire state till August 10. Till Wednesday, 99 roads remain closed for the vehicular movement in the state. 51 drinking water schemes are still affected. On Wednesday, the capital Shimla received the light rain in the afternoon. On Wednesday, 26 millimeter of rain was recorded in Jogindarnagar, 24.5 in Dholakua, 1 in Nahan Chamba and 0.5 in Shimla. Next news is of clash between Industries Minister Bikram Singh and MLA Ramesh Dhwala in the Assembly. There was a scuffle between Industries Minister Bikram Singh and BJP MLA from Jawalamukhi Ramesh Dhwala in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly on Wednesday. Dhwala raised the issues of many hurdles in the mining operations illegally. He even gave the warning to the minister. He said, if you do not improve, then I am struggling. You are my successor. Minister Bikram Singh said that I am also struggling, taking a jibe at Dhwala for not being able to become a minister. He said that if you refuse, I have to do it. Next news is for students as admission process has started in engineering first year. Applications are asked till August 16. The application process for admission to the first year engineering diploma in multi-technical institutions under the Himachal Pradesh Board of Technical Education will continue till August 16. Applications for this have started. The admission fees have been fixed at rupees 650 for general category and rupees 400 for reserved category. The date for applying online for admission in the second year has been fixed from July 31st to August 17. Moving ahead to the next news, Govind said challenged the regularization of TGT in High Court. Education Minister Govind Thakur has informed that 1473 TGTs were appointed in the Education Department in the year 2008. This recruitment was done under the RNP rules of the year 1973. On October 4, 2019, the court ordered to regularize these teachers. 140 teachers have also retired. The department has filed a review petition in the court. The matter is pending in the court. CPIM MLA Rakesh Singha raised this matter during the question hour in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly monsoon session on Wednesday. Moving ahead in the bulletin, first dose of corona vaccine has been applied to the 70% eligible population in Himachal. In Himachal Pradesh, the first dose of COVID vaccine has been administered to more than 70% of the population. The government has set a target of vaccinating around 55 lakh people, out of which 38,90,475 people had been given the first dose and 13,10,577 people has been given the second dose of COVID vaccine. A total of 52,01,052 doses of vaccine have been administered in the state so far. Moving to the last news of the bulletin, name will be removed from BPL list if found intoxicated. Bindla Panchayat of Karsog in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh has taken a new initiative to eliminate drug addiction. 6 Mahila Mandals have got this resolution passed in village meeting that if any person living BPL is found in a state of intoxication, then his name will be removed from the list. The resolution was passed in the meeting chaired by head Roshni Devi. The women have also demanded to stop the illegal business of liquor in the panchayat. So that's it for today, guys. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.